bathroom right here. Not the top one, the bottom one. Yes, there it is. It's so cute. Okay, so we're in the bathroom now. Oh my god. Awesome. Look at that. Water pressure comes out from up here. This is so awesome. And then here we are. Beautiful. Why is there only one Swedish boy? They promised 2 Swedish boys.
They promised 2 Swedish boys.
Yes. So cute. The little apples and the things. Apples and flowers on the headboard. And Swedish boy. Swedish boy, so cute. And I love the ceilings. The beams on the ceilings are so cool. He's got a bow and arrow, and you go this way. This way. And he's got an apple on his head. My show for my cow.
Yes.
This is the reason why I'm here today. I'm here to get a beautiful cup. Wow. And they don't have any pink ones. I have that brown one right there.
I like the yellow one.
Yeah, I'm thinking about that yellow. Oh, I get big ones now. So I like this one. It reminds me of honey.
Oh yeah, I like that one.
So I think I'm gonna get this one. Oh, it's so pretty though. It's yellow like honey, but I don't eat honey anymore. Try agave instead of honey. And 21st birthday, I'm gonna drink out of this cup. Yay, Bert! Yay! Yes. Oh look, you can buy one. You can actually buy it.
Sick.
Oh, look at these cups, are so pretty. Oh my gosh, I have like a weird thing with Santa Claus statues. I just love Santa Clauses like that.
Oh, okay.
I love them. Oh, I stayed in this room. I've stayed in this room on my 9th birthday. Old mill. I stayed in that one, and I stayed in this one down here. Pony room. Alvara's over here getting really entertained by the snow globe. It's so cute. I'll buy you a snow globe one day. Oh my god.
Super cute. I love the Christmas stuff here.
Keep it in here so it doesn't stick, I guess.
think so?
Yeah.
Okay. California sparkling wine.
So there's Madonna in there.
He,
Should have been really careful with that door.
yeah, I didn't think it was gonna swing open like
I
that.
didn't think so either. Wow, that was sketchy.
Okay. Go straight. Paris! This Paris, she's a maid or a housekeeper. It's so cute. You look like a Madonna in housekeeper.
Yeah. I love the gloves, just make the outfit.
Yes, the gloves are so cute. I love your costumes.
They all got names.
They're all different. They're all Wilhelm Tell.
Here we are. This is what I got. Yay.
But High Street Deli is kind of my favorite spot out here.
High Street Deli is really good.
I do that
Alright,
was the first time
so what you're gonna
I
do, definitely keep a good hold on to it. She's opening champagne. I don't know if anybody cares. Twist it. Or you can do it like that.
Whoa! What the fuck?
Woo! So you did it.
The
Okay.
cup I bought.
Can I pour it?
You want to pour me my first
Yeah,
cup?
I like the one with the hunter. Not you. Oh, it's a story window.
Yay.
Was that why you brought the cranberry juice?
No, I got. He got that because he likes cranberry juice. Yay! We're saying goodbye to our room now. This is my outfit for the day. It was so lovely to be in here. It was so much fun. Those birds, there's pelicans.